do. You know what? I'm gonna go take a walk. Oh my goodness, that's my dream fidget. Can I trade with you? Okay. I will add both of these. More? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, this should be good enough. Okay, I added this glow-in-the-dark poppet, and this is all the poppets I have. Do I have any mini poppets? I had one, but I don't know where it went. Please, can we just trade? These are all the poppets I have. Plus, it's very little, and these are 3 big poppets. Really? This is the best Barbie I have. You're happy with the trade? Oh gosh, I am sad about this trade. Here. Yes, finally, I got my dream fidget. Woo! Thank you.